欢迎跟我学中文。今天我们学习怎么说。
You willing to risk that? Okay. Let's get this over with. You willing to risk that?
你们愿意冒那个险吗？你们愿意冒那个险吗？
Okay. Let's get this over with.
好吧，咱们就先把这事儿完了。好吧，咱们就先把这事儿完了。我们先来学一下生词。你们愿意冒那个险吗？你们愿意冒那个险Notice the structure here. To risk is 冒险 To risk that is 冒那个险冒那个险 You'll see many examples of this split structure in future lessons. Once you've seen a lot, you understand how it's done and when it should be done. 妈好吧，咱们就先把这事儿完了。好吧，咱们就先把这事儿完了。把We'll look at this word a bit more later with examples. 这事儿这事儿完 We'll also look at this word a bit more later with examples. 了 Again, you need to see the actual use of this word many, many times before you can see a pattern of its function and understand it. You'll see a lot more in future lessons. 晚 one of the high-frequency words. It can be used on its own mostly as an action word meaning to finish, or as a word for things, which means an ending, or as a descriptive word, meaning something is in its entirety, or it goes with another word to form a new word with any of the above meanings added in. For example, 完了吗? Done. 你有完没完? Knock it off. 完好To describe something is in its original condition, nothing missing, no damages. 完事儿 To finish a task, a project, or a chore. 完婚 To consummate a matrimony. 把 something, have something done to something. 把这事儿完了 Have this thing done over with. 把早餐吃了 Finish your breakfast. 把话说完 Finish what you have to say. 把钱花光了 Spend all your money. 好，下一节我们学习怎么说。
If you talk to Al Mason at this thing, I want you to casually mention how much I paid for your necklace.
If you find this content useful, please like this video to support my channel. 多谢各位的陪伴，我们下次见。